Hello my friends! Today I want to show you how to know if your toilet is leaking. What is leaking? Leaking is when water keeps coming from here into here. Let me show you how. Okay, this is the flapper, okay? So if there's not, like if there's like basically, maybe it's old, maybe it needs replaced, maybe there's something even in there, who knows how it would get in there. But basically, I want to show you how to know if your toilet is leaking, okay? So you might want to take some food dye, okay? Maybe I should do it before I, so basically I want to go ahead and simulate a leak. So I want to go ahead and like put this in slightly, okay? And I don't really want to get, let's go ahead and do it before. Let me simulate a leak. Okay, that's kind of a strong leak. All right, give me a moment. Okay. I just want something barely, might get it like a piece of paper or something. Give it a moment. Maybe I'll get a piece of toilet paper or something. Hold on, the water's running. I'm not sure if it's leaking right now or not. Just give it a moment here. I just want to see if it's leaking. Okay, good. It's leaking. So I may not need to use the toilet paper. All right. So basically, if you do have a leak, it may not be as much as this. It might be something small. But take, maybe you want to take some food dye. Now you may stain the toilet. Just know about that. But go ahead and put food dye in here, and this may be an accelerated process, right? So put some food dye in there, all right? And then check the toilet bowl to see if it's coming in down here. Oh, bingo! Look at that. You see that? Now I did like a simulated leak here. It's I kind of like caused it because I stuck that in there, but you can see how it's coming in. So if you're wondering like, do you have a toilet leak? There you go. Put food dye in the back. And you might not know this quick. It might, like if yours is barely leaking, it might actually take you like a while to actually know. So anyways, if this video was helpful to you, hey, you want to see it flush? You want to see it flush? Check this out. See how that works? So basically, like if there's, maybe I'll show you the actual, the thing. See? Like it needs to have like a good like seal, okay? So if it needed like, maybe if it was like older or something, maybe it wouldn't have quite a good seal. So let's go ahead and put this in, kind of install this flapper on. You see there's this part right here, and then down here, there's a thing here and a thing here. So let me go ahead and put this on here. Then go ahead and put this on here. And here's the chain for the flapper. Okay. And if, maybe I'll do a video about adjusting sometimes. Some toilets may need to be like held open. And maybe I'll do a video sometime. But anyways, my friends, there you go. That's how to know if your toilet is leaking. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. I love you all. You're amazing. God loves you. You are special. You are created for a purpose. You are not an accident. I love you. Bye.